vocabulary, and speaking practice. In the kitchen. Uses in a sentence. Most electric kettles are operated by either a simple on/off switch or feature controls that heat water to a precise temperature to create specialty drinks like tea, coffee, hot cocoa or other warm drinks. Uses in a sentence. A toaster is a small electric appliance that uses radiant heat to brown sliced bread into toast. Oven. Uses in a sentence. Microwave ovens heat food using microwaves, a form of electromagnetic radiation similar to radio waves. Fridge. Uses in a sentence. The fundamental reason for having a refrigerator is to keep food cold. Cold temperatures help food stay fresh longer. Uses. Dishwashers are invaluable when it comes to cleaning dishes and cookware with a fraction of the effort of hand washing. Use this guide to learn how to properly load and operate a dishwasher. Breadbox. Use in a sentence. A bread box, chiefly American, or a bread bin, chiefly British, is a container for storing bread and other baked goods to keep them fresh. Pitcher, or jug. Use in a sentence. A pitcher is a cylindrical container with a handle and is used for holding and pouring liquids. Blender. Use in a sentence. Blenders are used both in home and commercial kitchens for various purposes, including to grind semi-solid ingredients, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, into smooth puree.